Welcome, grade 7 students. Are you fine? Today, we are going to learn about the respiration for grade 7 biology, chapter 3, respiration of living beings. Activity 1, respiratory movements and circulation of air and water. First, let's take some terminology. Respiration. What is respiration? It is used several different ways. Respiratory system are the organs in animals that exchange gases with the environment. Respiration is an everyday term that is often used to mean breathing. Respiratory system function. Respiratory system allow animals to move oxygen needed for cellular respiration into body tissues and remove carbon dioxide, which is the waste product of cellular respiration from cells. So respiration has two functions, to take oxygen and to eliminate carbon dioxide. Gas exchange by diffusion. Some animals simply allow gas to diffuse through their skins. These animals have a low metabolic rate, so a cold life. All of these are aquatic animals. We see the pictures here in front. Specialized structures. Structures specialized for gas exchange include gills. For aquatic animals, this is the gill, okay? This is the gill cover, and this is the gill. Spiracles for terrestrial animals. The spiracles are openings in the body of insects, and lungs for most terrestrial vertebrates. So we have gills for aquatic animals, spiracles for terrestrial insects, and lungs for most terrestrial vertebrates. We will see each one of them with details after. What is human respiration? The human respiratory system allows one to obtain oxygen, eliminate carbon dioxide. Breathing consists of two phases, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration or inhalation, the process of taking in air. Expiration or exhalation, the process of blowing out air. Moving air in and out. During inspiration or inhalation, the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles contract. During exhalation, these muscles relax, the diaphragm domes upward. Let's see the pictures. Okay, this is the diaphragm, which is a muscular membrane that separates the abdomen from the chest. Okay, a muscular membrane. It moves upward and downward according to the respiratory movement. These are the ribs. Between the ribs, there are muscles which are called intercostal muscles. So these two kinds of muscles, diaphragm and intercostal muscles, play an important role in the breathing phenomenon. During inspiration or inhalation, the diaphragm and intercostal muscles contract. They contract in inhalation. During exhalation, these muscles relax, the diaphragm domes upward. Look at the volume of the lungs. During inhalation, the volume increases. This is because the diaphragm contract and the intercostal muscles contract. So they increase the volume of the lungs. In the other case, in the exhalation, the volume of lungs is decreasing due to the push from the diaphragm and the intercostal muscles. Look at the respiratory movements with details. External intercostal, this is the diaphragm. This is the relaxed state. In inspiration, diaphragm contracts and flattens, moving downward. Lung volume increases, causing air pressure to all. Ribs move upward and outward due to muscle contraction. So air flows in. In the other case, in expiration, diaphragm relaxes, ribs return to resting position, lung volume decreases, causing air pressure to rise. This is the air flows out. Insect breathing. Look at the cricket respiratory system of insect. This blue web is called the trachea, with openings in the body of this insect in here and in there. So air enters and exits from an opening which is called spiracle. Okay, this is the spiracle. There are many spiracles. Insects breathe through spiracles, small holes in their abdomen. Air enters the spiracle, allowing oxygen to travel along a network of tubes called trachea to reach the cells in the insect's body. This is the trachea with its spiracle. And these are the tissues of the insect. Fish gills. Fish increase gas exchange efficiently using countercurrent exchange. Running blood through the system in the opposite direction to water keeps a diffusion gradient throughout the entire exchange. What is the meaning of that? Look at the water when it comes from here. It will be passing through gills. This is the gill and blood vessels inside of it. Look at here for more clearing. This is a lamella, one lamella from this gill. Okay, water flow is from this way. Blood, which is in the neighborhood, takes the oxygen from water entering and leave carbon dioxide in it to exit from the body of the fish. Oxygenated blood, these are the capillaries, deoxygenated blood. Respiratory system of fish. This is the process. Water enters from the mouth of fish and exit from after passing through the lamellas of gills, where blood of fish takes oxygen and eliminates carbon dioxide. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you for watching and hope that you are understanding well. See you in the next video.